Good morning, good morning. We are going to work on the designer mystery block 9. And we did a movie on it already. And here is the finished one. Isn't that lovely? Here's the back of it. I only had one seam that went cockeyed. Now let's pick out which one of the sashings from the sashing kit we're going to use. And let's see, what do we have left? We've made the those 4. We made those 2. Now we're doing the petal blocks. And I believe we take out an E. Oh, I did them. Oh, good. I've already done them. Hot diggity. Okay, so we've got those. So we take a G. Wait a minute, that's the wrong one. No, those are G's. G. Those are G's also. Now what are these? Okay. This is the one I think I'm going to use, is this tan color. And I've kept them in sequences because they have to be collected. For instance, we have, this is enough for 2 blocks. So this will be 1. And here's the cornerstones. Then we have enough for blocks in those 2 fabrics. Another one in peach, and then 2 in that color, taupe. So those are the G's. Okay, so we're at the part that we're on is we're working with these little fabric E with the cornerstone C's, and they look sort of like a petal of a flower, and they're going to be the corners of these. Well, let me show you for goodness sakes. Can you see that okay? So we've made the green corners. Now we're going to do those taupe colored flowered scallops is what they look like. And we need 2, 4, 6, 8 per 8 per frame. So here's our 8. All cut and ready. And the eyes, those are going to be the last 4. So I'm going to do block 9, 10. Because we're on 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. That's only 4. Well, I'm not quite sure how this all works, but I know there's only a total of 12, and we've already framed 8. So now we're on 9, but it gives us more frames than that. It gives us enough for 6. I can't explain it, but I'm just going to go forward and go ahead and make the scallops that goes on this one. Put that in its pile over there. And the way it'll look like is, let's put it up on the design board and I'll switch the camera around. We might have used the wrong white squares. Just a minute, let's get us turned around here. Oh, I guess we can't. Okay, so this is our block for block 9, and I've elected to use these flowers as the scallops that goes around. And then these are the cornerstones that have the sort of a leaf look to them. Now, in the design, in the pamphlet, you know, the instructions, it sure looks a lot different. See, those leaves had a much smaller white on them. But since I did them all and cut them to shape, I think I'm going to be happy with the way they look. I guess I'll have to be. What do you think? Should I try to order new fabric and redo them, or just be happy with them? See, here they are. I can't tell whether I cut the sizes wrong or what. Because there's no other pieces here. This is the binding. That's the backing. Here's some little extra pieces. Maybe that's what's left, and it's that's the same size as B. Well, I think we're going to proceed. Go ahead and put it together, and that's where we're at. All right, well, I'll come back to you when I have it all put together. All right, thank you.